Have you ever had one of those things that was super easy to fix, but you didn't ever get around to fixing it, even though it was bugging you like crazy every single day? Yeah, me neither. So we have this attic pull-down string. Last year we bought this house that was built 45 years ago, and I'm pretty certain the string dates back to the original construction. The attic door is no beauty, of course, but this string is on another level. I think it used to be white, but it's kind of hard to tell now. I don't like touching it. In fact, I think it's probably dangerous to even look at it. So I'm finally gonna do this thing. Yep, I'm gonna upgrade my hallway and my sanity. So I head to Home Depot and I grab some white vinyl covered hooks. Here's where I found them in the store, or I later discovered you can grab a whole set of different sizes from Amazon for less if you want. I'll put a link below, but bottom line, you want at least 2 hooks. And then I grab a 36 by 1 inch dowel on this hidden little shelf in the trim board aisle, or again, you can get one made of birch or oak on Amazon for about the same price. And yes, links are below. Then we pull down Mr. Attic Door and snip off the string. Ugh, yeah, that definitely goes into the incinerator. And we now want to be careful not to let the door go up because it'll be tough to pull down without the string. And then I carefully drill a small hole on the end of the dowel with the intent not to drill with my hand even a little bit, and then screw in 1 hook. Then I attempt to screw the next hook into the door, but the hole is way too large. So we need to improvise. I grabbed some wood glue and some round toothpicks. I jammed them into the wood, cut off the overhanging bits, and then left them alone overnight to dry. Next day, I drill a small pilot hole for the hook and tighten it into the door, and boom! Now I have a hook with a stick to pull down my attic door. No more nasty string taunting me every day. I think it looks better, don't you think? Now, watch this next video to learn how to protect your garage walls from your car doors and your car doors from your garage walls. Thanks for watching.